Hello everyone, my name is Palak Dua and this is my first task as a web developer intern at TSF. I chose the task of basic banking system and this slide contains the whole criteria which is used for building up the website. The main objective of the website was to show the transfer of money between the multiple users, and this is the web pages flow of the website. Now I will show you the source code of the website. I have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript as front-end technologies, and at the back-end side I have used Node.js and MongoDB. This is app.js which contains the connection which is used for connecting with the MongoDB for using it as a database, and it contains all the schemas and all the code which is used for getting the web pages, and the views folder contains all the web pages. And public folder contains CSS, and images folder style.css is used for styling of the website, and images folder contains all the images which are used in the website. And now I will show you the website. This is my website. This is the home page of my website. I have named it as the Sparks Foundation Bank, TSF Bank. This is the home page. So let's get started. This is the customers page viewing all the customers and their name, email ID and the amount. I will show you the transfer between the user Ram and Bob. But before that, I want to tell you that we can also view a single customer in this website. So here we can see that we have viewed Ram. Now we want to transfer the money from Ram to Bob. So we will transfer the money. I will type sender's name, receiver's name and the money for transferring. Now you can see that Ram's amount has been reduced and Bob's amount has been increased. So here I have also made a web page viewing the transfer history. So as we can see that Ram has transferred to Bob rupees 4800. So thank you so much.